never that. Alright guys, so as you can see, today we're out on a little fishing expedition. I've been promising you guys a fishing adventure on this channel for years now. I never got to it. So so last night my cousin linked me and tell me say them come to fishing this morning. So early this morning come pick me up and now reach Portmore. So we're heading around to a spot where him say him know quite a few of them. So we're going to see, hopefully we can get something. It sounds like the odds are that we won't, but it's worth a try. Can manage what?
Yeah, but you have now to line and go blow back.
Yo, we are careful. So we're going around and no, not yet. You know how long to buy one? But you know boy, as soon as you have money to come up. But yeah, so we're going around on the rocks here to see, to start off. As I said, this is the first time doing fishing on the channel and the second time ever in my life I'm ever going fishing. Wow, man, hopefully, really hoping we can catch something today. Really, Jay, careful, you know. These rocks are so sharp, like if you have to be careful of your step. You have to be careful of your step and then the water splashing up make it even more unpredictable. And these are some sharp, jagged rocks.
Yeah, sinker, man. Look at it. You have to watch it, the sinker, they it.
So she want the long lily. Jay, put the phone in another bag there for me. No, just careful. I mean, I have no money. Just go put the phone in your bag, no big man, it's not good.
It's a really good job. We're not going to really do much to this.
Yeah! Just loosen it so you go out.
So you can throw it? All I need is this. Hold it.
Flip that back. Watch it, Jay.
That's all I need.
Put my finger out and hold up there, so.
You kind of hold the weight. The weight
the rod.
The line, the bait and thing. So when you bring it back, it's steady. You're going to feel the weight when you bring it forward.
Yeah.
So now you need... I'll just stop. Just push it forward. Really cast it out, make it go.
Make it do what?
Cast it up a while and make it go.
Oh.
You see how far it goes? Now I need that to the right foot. Once you bring it down,
yeah.
so push it down to the top.
Keep it like that height there, yeah.
You keep it up, but when you keep it up, it's more get a little arch. So you can go and hold it and see how. hard to show that. That one
Yeah.
kind of have a little hook on it.
You just go and feel the pressure. And now which one you use really? Stronger? See like sitting hold this or a wave or something, you hit each something. You see it?
If it a move, pull it forward man, you hold it good enough. Probably have something reef it.
Yeah. So when you reel it, use your stronger hand reel?
Yeah, your right hand I go hold the weight, you know.
Yeah.
I'll show you exactly where to hold it. Hold it
Tell me if that feel like. I feel like you hit something or.
like that now, probably just stone it there.
Itch?
Probably I want to push the meat and that's it. You don't feel like enough.
Because I don't feel no movement tonight, it just feel rigid. Alright, so we have the first cast down, the first two. Lost one of the bait and we got caught up in some rocks off in the distance there. But we have it back now, so we're going to try again. Let me try. So feel the weight. No, sir. Oh, what is it? Flip back this? Oh, okay. Alright, so bring back this. So this I got for stop it. Right, over there say gone. Okay. And then why this not real?
Hold it. Hold it firm. Forward.
Good thing is mine not sink, so I guess. But this splashing one probably not gonna work underwater, yeah? Car. Alright. Try again.
Hold it in and dry.
Watch it there. Just to get the casting actions a bit dialed in. So now I'm going to go back to actual bait because the lure won't sink, so we're going back to actual bait now and I'm going to try with that. Yes, you just take off the head of the shrimp and just hook it. Yeah man, that one a little, me nah brought that one here. Then we're going to try hook this again.
The ice, then we get ready and get sting.
That is one. All you.
So I don't know if I the weight I fling off the something there.
Oh, if you put it on, go the way to flash it off.
Mm-hmm.
And you're thing on up first, you know.
Yeah, for true. See him right here, so. I feel it, you know.
A yellow one, I just see my
Bomba.
yellow one there.
Him the right here, so, you know. Alright, we get another cast in. Boy, right here, so. Water target here, so, you know, so I get wet. Woo! You see me no carry change of clothes. Smart, yeah? Ooh. Oh, shaky! Ah!
Quite no better.
Ah! Bro, it's tiny though.
No, put it down. It says you need that. Put it on your skin, better.
Wait, watch it hook. Ah.
Put it on the ground, man.
What me I do? Me I put back this? It look like one little parrot. Look if it a show up on the camera, Jay. No, don't mind the hook, you know. Hold.
No, man.
Hold this in. Let me
No,
take
man,
out the
it's
hook.
not a parrot. That got some good teeth, bro. It got some good teeth.
Don't throw it back.
No, brother, keep that because on you earn that.
It's a little parrot, bro. Take out the hook and put him back. Hold him.
Hold him.
Don't kill him, you know.
Hold him, no, man.
Yo.
Ooh, yo, Shiki, I wet up my back, yo. Just take off the fish and fling him back. Is that? Yeah, well, sketch it. Just take out the hook.
Would I kill that dog?
Slimy, Labuda. It's slimy, man.
It's
No.
slimy. Lock it. Lock it on.
Yeah, and take out it. He can't hold. You have to probably hold a cloth or something. Wait.
Your man and the killer.
Guys, this is the first fish me ever catch. Him tiny though, you know.
Yeah.
No, don't lick him. Like, this is the size of my hand. No? Compare. Chill. Hold him. Try hold him and take it off.
Yeah, it's a parrot.
Yeah, that part for me see, me know, man. Me know
It's a
parrot, you know.
parrotfish. No, man, release it then.
Yeah, I forget release. Take out the hook. Ui, mind the hook, you know.
It's not a parrot.
It's a parrot, brother. No parrotfish, look.
Full of strength, though.
Bob, see, bro.
Hold him good, make the camera see, daddy.
That's it. It's a baby, man.
Yeah.
Look at that. Holding
I
on my
want
hand.
more than yesterday.
I want more. Release him. Go and put him back.
Put him back.
Yeah, what we are doing with that?
He's gonna die.
No, daddy.
Daddy, just stack him up.
Tell her to release the fish, brother. Exactly.
What side, brother? Just fling it, no one. Fling it like you never fling before. But he already gone.
Yeah, him gone, man.
Oh,
Him gone. Him swim gone.
Oh, I'm not swim gone.
At least we get one. So I mean, obviously it was a small fish, but one of the main reasons why we released it is because it's a parrotfish. And you know, they're very important to the coral reef ecosystem in terms of the work that they do with building corals, which protect the beaches, which in turn protects us. So for that and obvious reasons it's not eating size, we release it, but at least we got one down. Dog, how are you man do, dog? May I have to ask him if I say him put on lotion?
Yeah.
Rub your face good, the most important part. Your forehead, your nose, your ears. Yo, if you ever see how you look. Yo. Right, the next little one. So I beat this, you know, Shaky?
Hey!
I beat this, you know? I parrot this.
Let me see.
Wait, let me try to catch it. Jay, chill, my ear drop.
Yeah, man, that parrot.
A parrot again.
Then can I put
This is our next little parrot.
Can I put it off?
No, sir, brother, you're not dead. Oh.
Huh?
Can I go under it? No, you know. You save him. Dash him away. Watch it, Jay. Watch your hook.
Yo, come here. Hold on.
Brother, yo, don't drop a fish, you know. Show him. Unfortunately, a too small parrot. So we are cast again.
Yeah. That would have been getting the lot though. That would have only one when you get some decent.
Oh, this side here, but that would not dumb.
Eh?
Oh, this side is not dumb.
I don't hear what you say.
Oh, this side is not dumb.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, go down, go over there.
I have enough size already, man.
Big small then. Oh, we catch a fish!
You catch one?
Yeah!
But how you catch him? Let me see him. Oh, a parrot too?
Yeah, again.
Yeah, another one.
This man.
No, that's not a parrot, you know.
But you got right to it now.
A parrot, a parrot.
Breeding ground. That's what I tell you, so they not survive sometime.
Yeah. Yeah, probably because of the rocks, them probably a nest, yeah, so. Two.
Yes, so I'm here, watch out, cheeky man gets double.
Yo, yeah, get too much now, but the same thing. Oh, I know what kind of fish it is. Mind it. I know what kind of fish it is. It's actually a fish. And probably it's like breeding season for them.
Wait, hold the line for me. Hold the line for me. Hold the line so daddy, now, Miguel. Let me try to get a shot at him.
If you get a shot at this baby, yeah, go for this up.
Wait, next one there.
All the way this one.
I told him that.
Give me more if you.
Yeah, hold it for me.
Double up.
Double. Double up.
Double bubble.
Some of them bigger size.
Yeah.
Stay away from the
Double up too much shot now, bro.
Cheeky, come take off them. And release him.
Roger, Wallace.
No make Jay drop him in and say no. Fling him in the water. Fling him in the water. What's your man?
Small, bro.
My bottle with some ice, I forgot to add water. So now the sun blaring and I don't have any water. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a cast now. Alright, I can see what become out.
Bubble line.
Yeah! You look big for camera. You don't swear things you're eating size fish. Parrot.
It's just a baby.
it's just a baby. We never see them. Some sea cockroach. A lobster cockroach. Eh? Eh?
You have a next one, you have a different segment car.
You have one next lobster will look like isopod. What them the name again? Yeah.
Isopod.
Jay, careful, you know, you can't, when you're wheelie team, you can't do that. Same thing, may I tell you, big man, take time. You can't have your hand on the line when you're wheelie team because the hooker come in. Yeah, man, you feel like me catch it now. What go on yourself?
Yeah, it's up.
Rotted, whatever the panic gone. It Lego? Yeah, see, come back. Take time. Stop.
The beer gone.
Yeah. Nice. Nice parrot. Yeah, easy for come on for sure. My slip right out. Out of my hand. Yeah, look at the colors.
Oh, that one a little bigger.
Yeah, look bigger. It's still little stills. It's slippery though. Nice place it took him to wait, no damage, nothing. Push it down and out. Yeah, simple maths. Release him. Release him back. Throw him back in there. Wait, just don't make him drop, you know. Just throw him right outside the water. See him when we believe in a reggae, boys. Believe in that one here. Worry yourself, man. Believe. Back down in the water. And then clip it. Let's see if we can put that right there somewhere. Nice, rod set. Yet another young one on the line, guys. So close, I can bring him to you guys. Oi, hey, calmate. Calm down. Beautiful, beautiful fish. The only thing is, they're really slippery. Nice.
Monster catch.
Monster. What you have to do with that more than send that back?
Where's I bring it back?
Yeah.
Monster catch.
Man, wait, let me catch it. Pan it film. Moby Dick, you catch Moby Dick. You reckon we can get a great white? Yeah. What you do with that, brother? Yo! That is it.
How you catch it on? The big white line?
No. If fake shrimp? No, the killer if fake shrimp you use. No man, that motivate me. That's the biggest one. Eh? I know far then they are just we are to a wrong place. Let me see him. Oh! Right there, so?
Six of them around the river there.
Bro, and the fact say are the fake sitting there. Ooh, the fake shrimp catch him. Yo, take him up, let me see him good. Hold him up, man. Yo! Them dead.
Touch it.
Come in, boy.
Careful, you know.
Yo, take a knife on him. But it's pretty, dog.
Yeah, pretty, brother. And I know parrot, so we're good. That look like Jack-ish.
Look at Roger do dinosaur.
When the car come, let me see it, Jay. Nice. Let me see him.
Yellow shirt.
Bro, what this you catch? Turn it over. Ice up on.
That big line there you use. Oh, that you have to go through before the shaky.
Yeah. Because the little line over here use a bait fish to catch. Nice, where you go put him in? Where you bucket? Yeah, I can stay there.
Oh, it's smooth scale.
Come pretty.
Him have scale.
My.
You have no scale.
Yeah, man, him
Mouth scale. Every fish have scale, brother.
Yeah, my name GT. My. Yellow stripe.
Kiss, give me a kiss.
Blue fin.
Yeah, no lose it. No lose the spot, shaky. No man, me have to catch one now. So, I'm taking a little breather. We caught a few fishes, most of them small. So far is the only decent or edible one we caught was the one that my cousin caught not too long ago. So I thought I hooked something a while ago, but it's just something that was attached to the line. So we lost 2 hooks and sinker. So just a fashion up box up now and then we try again to see if we can catch something.
That's why we can't drive good, because I never bother.
One man down here, so run it. I don't we go down the road, the man lick up one next man.
Hey, for the bicycle.
And that's why I can't drive. Because me nobody make you teach me. Every day ever make you teach me same way. I can't drive.
I never drive.
We can never go around the steering. You man make me afraid to drive you.
We change location, come to a different side of the beach. This is the same beach where, the same section where I did the jerk rabbit video from all those years ago. So if you remember that same place where I do the jerk rabbit, we're here so today. So we're gonna try, we're gonna see if we can get nothing here, so at least a few bites and so hopefully we can find some luck here, so so we're going to just start casting. Jay, watch it. Don't come in front of the rod, I'm gonna swing the rod. Go that side there. Rotted. Watch out, watch out. Now we try to swing out there. Yeah man, I feel a bite. Watch out, you bust, you know. I want to slap down the camera. One more again. That was a good one. Hope something bite. Yeah man, I feel a bite. But piece of bait gone. Nothing with sense. Bush me a catch. A nice size one too, you know, with the hand line. Which part you throw it? Let me see it, hold him up, let me see. You are going to take him off? Yep. Boy, you sit down on that tree, don't you? It's a nice size, no you? Nice size eating one too, you know. Alright, believe me, I catch one. Seaweed, me catch the box cover. What you do with him? Add him, brother. Because I'm smaller than that, so I can catch.
Come on, eat that one.
Well, finally catch what I look at me catch. Am I to go on now, living this way, acting like a child so young and gay? So yeah, I think that's it for me for today, because we've been here so for probably like 4 hours and I've only caught one tiny fish here, and it's getting later. The funny thing is, where I was for 3 hours, somebody came and caught a couple fish there in like 3 or 4 goes. So I guess it's just not my day. I mean, have a little bit more time here, so if anything happens, I'll show you the catch. But yeah, it was a really fun day. As much as my head hurt me from the sun and I haven't eaten from morning, it was really a fun day. Loved it, loved every second night. So if you enjoyed this video, remember to leave a like and drop a comment. Give me some tips in the comments so that the next time I'll do a better job. Hey. For a first experience though, it was really good. Boy, what you say? I eat that? Yeah, I'm gonna show them the catch. just before we go away, let me just show you. So we have these two here. Put it. Take out the next.
I saw that one of the big.
Yeah, brother. May I tell you? That one that daddy just sketch. Calm down.
The one them just sketch.
Yeah. A nice sketch. A nice sketch.